See, in my case, and I think probably in most other screenwriters, my friends' cases, actually, whether you call it inspiration or whatever you want to call it, turning point, वो सब्जेक्ट से आता है इन द सेंस के इफ़ यू स्टार्ट विथ सेइंग कि आज मैं बैठ के एक पिक्चर लिखूंगा, अब फिर सेकंड पॉइंट है अब मैं किस चीज़ पे लिखूं, कैसी होनी चाहिए, क्या जॉनर होना चाहिए, क्या फॉर्म होना चाहिए, आजकल क्या चल रहा है, ये उस वो नेवर एंडिंग है बिकॉज दैट इज़ ऑल रिलेटेड टू द आउटसाइड वर्ल्ड एंड यूल फॉर एवर बी फॉलोइंग समथिंग और द अदर. आजकल ये चल रहा है, उसने ये किया था, इसने ये किया था, या मुझे डार्क फिल्म करने का आजकल मन कर रहा है, हो सकता है एक दिन ना कर रहा हो. So what in my experience, and I think my other screenwriter friends experience also, what works is you can only tell the story of people whose story you want to tell. As a screenwriter your motivation won't last for long, at least मेरी तो नहीं होती. मैं if I every time once or twice I have started कि किसी ने commission कर दिया, कोई बहुत पैसे दे रहा है, या किसी की दोस्ती में कर लिया या कुछ, तो वो 2-4 महीने बाद पैसे वापस ही करने पड़ जाते हैं, मेरी तो गाड़ी रुक जाती है. जो आप करना चाह रहे हो ना वही सब्जेक्ट आपको, बिकॉज इट्स अ लॉन्ग जर्नी एंड इट्स बैक ब्रेकिंग वर्क टू मेक अ फिल्म एंड द ईजियर वेज टू मेक मनी इन दिस वर्ल्ड. ओनली फ्लेम इज जो आपके अंदर फ्लेम है, और कुछ नहीं होगा. आप फिल्म फेयर का सोचोगे, ऑस्कर का सोचोगे, ये सोचोगे, कुछ नथिंग विल लास्ट. इन 2 months एवरीथिंग विल गिव वे. You saw this film, now I'll give you an example of Chak De only. We had made Khosla Ka Khosla in Delhi, and we made it with great difficulty. तो बिकॉज उस टाइम ऐसी फिल्में बनती नहीं थी, तो बड़ी मुश्किल से हमने किसी तरह बनाई. फिर nobody was willing to release it because जिसको दिखा रहे थे everyone was saying ये तो फिल्म ही नहीं है, ये है क्या exactly, because that time the films needed to be in a certain way or whatever. तो हम फिर द होल क्रू सब बिखर गए, अपने अपने कुछ करने लग गए, अब कुछ करें. अराउंड व्हेन दैट वाज हैपनिंग, I read a newspaper article in Indian Express. There was a small, for those who are still aware of print media, 10 column centimeter article, and there was a picture above it. और उसमें लिखा था Indian women's hockey team won a tournament. एंड मुझे तो पता ही नहीं था विमेंस हॉकी टीम भी होती है. एक्चुअली हम हॉकी के बारे में सोचते ही नहीं थे कभी, हम तो क्रिकेट ही खेलते थे. एंड द आर्टिकल वॉज जस्ट दिस मच, बट द वे द जर्नलिस्ट हैड रिटन इट एंड द काइंड ऑफ टीम्स दैट प्लेड अगेंस्ट दैट मेड योर हार्ट स्वेल अप विद प्राइड कि यार इतना बड़ा काम हो गया. एंड देयर वाज अ पिक्चर of an Indian athlete tackling an Argentinian athlete, and the Indian athlete's entire body width was the size of the Argentinian athlete's thigh. ऐसे ये क्या कर रहे हैं? And nobody cared. Like in cricket, you lose and it comes on the front page. And here you win a tournament and it comes on the back page in this small. So I just felt, ये क्या है यार? What kind of justice is this? So I just started following about it and reading up about it. और उस टाइम मेरे मन में था, maybe I'll make a documentary on them. I just started following the athletes and I started going to the national camps. And the more time I spent on that, actually when you're researching something you're not supposed to get involved in it, पर ऐसा हुआ नहीं. I just got very involved and I just saw that they are among the world's top few teams, but nobody knows and nobody cares, and they're playing just a few kilometers away from your house. And cricket is like 6 nations, उसी में वर्ल्ड चैम्पियन बन जाते हैं, उसी में सब कुछ हो जाता है. दिस इज लाइक सॉकर एंड हॉकी एंड ऑल लाइक 50-50 कंट्रीज. So as I started, I remember there was a training camp in Bangalore, national teams training camp. They'd get up at 4 o'clock in the morning. They'll go to the practice ground. There was an old wall there जिस पे एक national flag बहुत पुराना बना हुआ था. It had faded. They'll look at the flag and then they'll start running. And they'll practice till 2 o'clock. Then they'll wash their own clothes and their own shoes. then they'll rest for 2 hours, then they'll come back and practice again. And there was this big Asia Cup tournament coming up. मैंने तो बोला था मैं sports में MPhil कर रहा हूँ और research करने आऊँ. I didn't tell them because I didn't know what I'll do with it. There's this coach called Coach Kaushik. He was a chief national coach. Now he's the kind of a guy who's like a Olympian gold medalist. बाद में when we were making the film, we saw some of the footage of some famous world games. And then the commentators, when the camera would go to Coach Kaushik, the Australian commentators ऐसे लग रहा था वो commentator खड़ा हो गया respect के मारे. And यहाँ पे क्या था कि once I had dinner with the team in the mess. And जैसे यहाँ यूनिवर्सिटी का गेट है ना दूर, तो I was walking दूर तक, वो भी एक यूनिवर्सिटी में. And Coach Kaushik came running after me saying, सर आपका एप्पल रह गया. And this is an Olympian gold medalist. And he says, आप एक एप्पल के लिए आधा किलोमीटर क्यों भाग के आओ? That is what an apple meant to them. And they're supposed to fight with the world's best athletes. How? So it was just so humiliating and insulting spending time with them. There was this coach, Aditya Shetty. Later on, he was a physio and sports medicine doctor. Later on, he became sports medicine doctor for Delhi Devils and many other teams. He told me that our girls lose in the second half, because second half first half they always play very well, and second half they lose because they have a protein deficiency. Because the muscles just give out. And protein deficiency क्यों है? I said, but why? He's saying, because I order the almonds but they never come. These are the conditions, and they still do well. I remember once with Coach Kaushik, एक tournament आ रहा था, तो Bangalore में we went to a local MLC's house, and he had some garments factory. So there's a thing called team kit, which is track pants, blazer, जिसमें खेलते हैं, और उसके पैसे नहीं थे. And 3 साल पुराने team पहन के they were feeling embarrassed. And remember, we all pay taxes for all of this. Is supposed to happen. So the chief national coach and the team's manager, there was a lady, she was also an ex-Olympian. वो जगह जगह भीख मांगते घूम रहे हैं, सर नेशनल टीम है, and हमें लैपटॉप दे दो सेकेंड हैंड, हमें कपड़े दे दो. So we went to this local MLC or whatever his place, and he made the chief national coach sit outside for 2 hours. जैसे district collector के office बाहर ऐसे बैठ जाते हैं ना लोग. So I was also quietly following them. Then we went in, and Coach Kaushik said, "Sir, I'm the chief national coach, and the Indian women's hockey team needs them. आपकी तो factory है ready-made garments की, आप दे दो track pants, this and that." So this guy said, see, his brand was called some American Fantasy, American Crew या कुछ दुबई की brand थी. He said, दे दूंगा, लेकिन उनको ये American Fantasy या कुछ पहनना पड़ेगा. So Coach Kaushik, sir, Indian national women's hockey team American Fantasy पहन के कैसे खेलेगी? So he said, go then, I won't give. These are the conditions in which they play.